How to log in to your Computershare account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log in to your Computershare account. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for www.computershare.com. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be asked to select your country. So go ahead and select your country and further tap on the login button you see on the top right of your screen. Now, select the account you want to log into from the options shown in here. I will select Investor Center. You will then see the login button again. Tap on that and you will be asked to enter your user ID. So go ahead and enter that, and if you have forgotten your user ID, go ahead and tap on the Forgot User ID button and recover your user ID. Once you have entered your user ID, tap on the Next button. You will then be asked to enter a CAPTCHA. So solve the CAPTCHA and tap on Next, and you will further be required to enter your password. So go ahead and enter your password and tap on Next, and you will be successfully logged in to your Computershare account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.